Man, it's a beautiful day here in Labrador. Oh my god, the sun's out. That salty paint is shimmering. But man, isn't it cold.
That's good.
So I'm sitting here waiting to get loaded. Figured that I would start the overview of this truck. Now, this truck has a lot of new stuff in it that I like, and some stuff that I don't like. They redid the seats. It looks a bit better, but it's just they're not as comfortable, which is unfortunate. It's very nice. Sync 3. This home screen used to be able to put a picture behind it, and I thought that was really cool. These new ones, you can't do it anymore, and that is sad. But it's okay. It's not bad. The blue is ugly, but interior. Let's see. We got some frozen Fiji water here. This slides over. Very nice steering wheel. Dash. This is all hard. I'm not sure what the Platinum and the Lariats and the King Ranch is like, but I'm sure they're a bit better. We're equipped with heated seats. In this one, this is an XLT, but it's a well-optioned XLT. So, heated seats, stuff, four-wheel drive, of course, adjustable pedals. Got all the steering wheel stuff. The digital LED center screen, very nice. I think it's LED. It's probably not LED, it's probably LCD. A whole bunch of stuff. Feature that I really like. Backup camera. CHMSL camera or something. It's a high mounted cab. Anyways, it's good for hooking up the gooseneck, and you get a wider angle. Like you can't see here or here with the other backup camera. This one, you can see all over the place. It's great. Other than that, yeah, something else that I like, this roof. Anyways, instead of talking about it all, why don't I just show you? Freezing my ass off. It's like minus 20. Alright, right now I'm going to say for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I wanted to make sure that people who actually liked my videos, watched the videos, won something. So if you're still watching, comment down below and I will pick the winner out of these comments. So comment and you'll be entered into that. I have to tell you guys, the name of the channel is changing. Going from KP Danger to Danger Industries. I just wanted something a bit more universal sounding, something different. So that's the new name of the channel, Danger Industries. Nothing's changing other than the name. Still gonna be some wicked content, so stick around. So that being said, make sure you enter for that. Giving away 2 cameras to this truck. Got the FX4 package. which means upgraded shocks. Get a skid plate and get the hill descent control, which works really good. Rancho shocks, yeah. Something I want to address, don't have wheel caps on the wheels because I tighten them a lot, make sure they're tight, make sure no wheels are falling off, and they're just a pain in the ass. But what this truck is it's the XLT. It's the premium XLT with as much shit as you can get into it. It's got everything you can get except for leather, basically. Top of the line before you go Lariat, and it still saves $6,000-7,000 over the Lariat package. So I'm pretty happy with it. Truck, it pulls great. It's a fun truck for sure. Got some tires for it. I'm not telling you what they are yet until they are on, but they will look good, guaranteed. Something I forgot to throw into the little video segment. Hands barely work right now. This gay little step here, and by gay I mean happy. YouTube, don't demonetize me. To be honest, you never need this, but sometimes the truck is way up in the air for some reason. It's a cool little thing to have anyways, if I ever sell it to an 80-year-old. I'm not going to admit that I use it sometimes. I actually use it. I'm not going to admit to that, because I don't. And I won't admit it. The little bumper sensors, which are practically useless. Yeah, same thing. This is all plastic now compared to my 2014. I already put some LED headlights in it. Looks great. Must have. Should be lots of fun. Let's hop back into the heat here. Holy crap. So I can't really say that I live here, but for the people that do, why? The air hurts. Some coin holders here that are actually useful. Yeah, it's a great truck. I'm enjoying it. Getting used to the seat. The seat was very uncomfortable, so I'm kind of... That was a quick little overview of the truck. Let's get right into towing. So now that that's all tightened up, now all we got to do is hook the beast onto this thing and start dragging it.
That's good.
Tow haul mode and exhaust brake on for towing. So this truck is built for towing. It's the dual rear wheel version of the classic F-250 or F-350. It can take a hell of a payload in the back, and I tell you, it can pull it. A lot of you gave me flack, a whole lot of flack, on my last video for towing a shit ton of weight with an F-250. Good for you guys, you're keeping YouTube safe. But the reality is, this truck is rated for much higher, almost twice, almost double what my F-250 is rated for. It makes 40 more horsepower, and it has the same brakes. The brakes on this are no better, if not worse, than the F-250. And here's the thing, my F-250 has upgraded tires on it. It has Duratrack Wranglers, which are very soft. They're very grippy in ice, snow, mud, cement, I guess. These trucks, the F-250s, the F-Series comes with Michelin somethings. They're junk. They're the absolute worst tire I've ever seen, used, dealt with, looked at. Worst tire. I literally got my F-250 stuck in 3 inches of snow. Big 8,000 pounds truck, completely done in 3 inches of snow. Because these tires, when I put the truck in reverse, would not back up. They would not provide the force. They just slipped, created ice for themselves, and then that was game over. That being said, my F-250, in the current state that it is now, is better and safer for towing than this truck here is. Better stopping distance because there's more grip. It has more power because it's tuned and deleted. That was green for the last 2 minutes. Now it's red. Can you hear that engine brake though? That engine brake, gears down, and you can really hear it kick in. If I turn the exhaust brake, if I hit this button while we're going down a hill, we'll have less stopping power, which we will be able to feel, and it'll sound different, which is nice. My F-250, the ones before 2014 do not have that. You can't really tell when it's on, but the engine brake does work well. Asking you how I know. What this truck has over the F-250, new and old, are the 4 wheels in the back. It makes a difference. When you're turning, what happens is this is physics. It's the second law, I believe. Something in motion tends to stay in motion. That's the law. And what that means is that when a trailer is going straight and then you turn the truck like that, this trailer still wants to go straight. So it's loading weight onto that opposite side wheels. Now, having 2 wheels back there helps keep the tires from shifting, from bending, and it helps disperse the weight, and it can take more weight. It's overall more stable and safer. But throw some shitty tires like these Michelin's on and you're going sideways anyways. Ask me how I know. This truck still needs airbags because yes, it does squat. The F-250 needs them as well. This one does too. This one's no exception. It doesn't even have any more leafs, I don't think, which makes no sense, but that's just the way it is. But overall towing, this truck is very comfortable with it. Here, do that turn. Yeah. That was to the floor. It usually makes 30 pounds of boost, but for some reason there it was making 20. Interesting. As you guys can see, this truck has no problem with power. None of the Power Strokes do. As a matter of fact, none of the Cummins do. The Duramaxes. These trucks, you know, to be honest, I don't think there is an end to what these can pull in first gear going up any hill. These things are strong. They are powerful. And to think they just fit it into a pickup truck. I mean, this is as powerful as some of the, you know, older, those things, if not more powerful. This can maintain a C-can, 30,000 pounds. This can maintain 80, 90 kilometers an hour and still get good fuel mileage. That's incredible. So these trucks, they have come a long way. Like, this is a real competitor. Explain to you guys a little bit why I didn't get like a Kensworth or something like that, which I'm not saying will never happen. Wow, what a great place for the camera. So I'm not saying that'll never happen, but this is why I didn't do it now. This province is not big enough for tractor trailers. They run empty all the time. There isn't enough people here to keep tractor trailers full. Those empty miles costs as much as my miles do fully loaded. And my empty miles don't cost much more than, well, just driving a regular pickup truck. That's why I didn't go that route. If it doesn't get too dark before we get to the hills, I'll probably throw in a wicked uphill pull for you guys. This thing hauls some serious ass. Follow me on Instagram, danger.industries. Follow it, pictures, updates, all kinds of stuff. Company Facebook, Transmax TL. Add that as a friend if you want. Transmax International. It's also my Facebook page. Links will be down in the description as always. That's my thoughts on the F-350 dual rear wheel for towing. It's quite the beast. I would recommend it if you're even towing a camper or something. If you can do it, get the F-450 for the turning radius, bigger brakes. It's a big help. If you want to do a rear wheel, go F-450. They look nicer, they stop better, and they have a better turning radius. F-350, it's a bit cheaper, so you'll be sacrificing those things. Other than that, great truck, loving it so far, comfortable. I'm kind of getting used to the seat, and I kind of found a couple places where I can have it where it doesn't hurt my back so much. Loving the Sync 3, it's pretty good. Heated seats are amazing. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this review was helpful. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You know what to do if you like these videos. You know the drill. You guys have a great day. Yeah, it's only making 2/3 of the boost that it should. There is a low fuel pressure message, which is not good. Not sure if the fuel is gelling, which is a possibility at -23 Celsius. Who knows?